Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about the Furzero Silicone Reline Denture set. Now, this is it's a denture set. It's fake teeth for your mouth. It's silicone, right in the name, right? It's soft as well. I think it's a soft denture reline kit, and it's a tooth repair kit as well. So basically, if you have troubles with your teeth, you can use this instead to give yourself a your self image a boost, right? And it advertised a lot. Like there's easy installation where you just put it in your mouth, right? And you can improve appearance and enhance personal image. And there's simple maintenance and convenient cleaning, right? The usual stuff. And this is like any run of the mill denture set you can buy at your local pharmacy or that you can get from your dentist. And it's pretty run of the mill, but I have heard that customers have complaints about not being able to return, or there's no official website for this particular brand. And this may be a deal breaker to some of you, but it's honestly not the end of the world. You can always get another dental set, another denture set, sorry, that looks just as good and as easy to install. But if you must go with this one, I guess you could buy it since it's only 12 euros, so it's pretty cheap, all things considered. But do take note of the thing that I said earlier.